Hello everyone, welcome back to Bike Review Pro. Today, we are breaking all the rules of conventional cruisers to introduce something truly extraordinary. Get ready for the absolute king of factory-built custom style, the aggressive, the stretched out, and the jaw-dropping new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper. Just look at that iconic, sweeping stance. The new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper features a beautifully raked front end that gives it that pure, old-school custom chopper vibe right off the showroom floor. It sits long, low, and incredibly lean, ensuring you command absolute attention on every single highway you cross. The high-intensity custom headlight assembly of the new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper perfectly complements its minimalist aesthetic. Enclosed in a premium chrome housing, it slices through dark desert roads with ease, combining classic chopper styling cues with modern, reliable illumination technology. The defining feature of this legendary machine is its extreme 32-degree raked-out front end. This radical engineering choice gives the new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper its authentic custom chopper silhouette, while surprisingly maintaining Honda's signature light, predictable, and incredibly smooth steering manners. At the very core of this masterpiece is a specialized high-tensile steel frame that features an open, uncluttered design. This minimalist approach creates a massive open space around the engine, beautifully mimicking the handcrafted look of expensive custom choppers while providing great chassis rigidity and response. From the full left profile, the new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper reveals its true design genius. The seamless lines stretch from the high steering head all the way down to the hidden rear suspension, creating an elegant, unbroken flow that looks like a high-end show bike but rides with daily driver practicality. Even parked outside a diner under dark night skies, the new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper looks absolutely menacing. The contrast between its deep, rich paint and gleaming components creates an incredible visual statement, making it very clear that this machine was built for riders who refuse to blend into the crowd. Running along the right side is the stunning 2x2 stacked chrome exhaust system of the new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper. It sends out a deep, satisfying V-twin rumble that lets everyone know you are arriving. The bright chrome finish adds the perfect touch of traditional cruiser flash to this dark machine. Say goodbye to messy chains and tedious belt adjustments. The new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper features an ultra-clean, low-maintenance shaft final drive system. Beautifully integrated directly into the aluminum swing arm, it ensures smooth power delivery to the ground while keeping your rear wheel looking pristine. Bringing massive attitude to the rear end is the aggressive, fat 200 series rear tire of the new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper. Wrapped tightly under a sleek chopped fender, this wide rubber footprint not only completes the authentic custom chopper look but also provides excellent straight-line traction. The rear styling remains incredibly clean and uncluttered thanks to the sleek, integrated LED taillight on the new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper. It sits flush against the custom rear fender lines, acting as a bright, highly visible safety feature when braking, while disappearing into the dark silhouette when off. The beating heart of this bad boy is Honda's trusted 1312cc, 52-degree V-twin power plant. Featuring a single-pin crankshaft and dual counterbalancers, the engine inside the new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper delivers plenty of low-end torque and that classic big twin pulsing feel that cruiser riders crave. Check out the beautiful craftsmanship on this seamless, sculpted teardrop fuel tank of the new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper. It holds over 3 gallons of fuel and flows elegantly downward into the low-slung seat, giving the bike a stretched, custom look while keeping the overall fuel delivery system completely hidden. True to Chopper tradition, the handlebar area of the new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper is kept incredibly clean and simple. The internal wiring inside the high-rise bars prevents clutter, while the premium, highly tactile switches give you effortlessly smooth control over the electric starter and integrated safety features. To preserve the minimalist custom look, the digital LCD instrument console of the new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper is downsized and tucked neatly into the handlebar view. It displays all your vital riding telemetry, gear position, and fuel status clearly without ruining the beautiful lines of the front end. While classic choppers are famous for being difficult to stop, the new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper includes modern safety with its standard anti-lock braking system. Massive disc brakes paired with an intelligent ABS setup give you immense stopping power and total confidence, even when braking hard over wet or gravel surfaces. Finally, the ultra-low 26.7-inch solo seat puts you deep inside the cockpit of the new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper, allowing you to easily plant both feet flat on the ground. It offers incredible cruising comfort. Thank you for watching Bike Review Pro. Make sure to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments if you would choose this factory chopper over a custom build.